Judge set to hear the closing arguments in the Nathan Carman civil trial.
Yeah, Carman has been taken to court over an insurance claim at a boat that sunk back in 2016. His mother was also on board at the time and hasn't been seen since.
Eyewitness News reporter Brandon Truitt live outside of federal court in Providence. Brandon, we're hearing the judge only focusing on the insurance portion of the case.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Patrick and Danielle. This is going to come down to whether or not the judge thinks Nathan Carman broke his insurance policy by making changes to his boat, the Chicken Pox. Now, the insurance company is trying to prove whether or not Carman made those elect changes before he went sailing, and they claim he did so before, also did not let him know of the changes. Now, you might remember this boat started to sink in September of 2016. That's when this happened. Carman's mother and the boat itself have not been recovered. This trial has spanned the course of more than 3 weeks. During it, we've heard from boat experts, oceanographers, even Carman himself. The insurance company, Boat US, claims Carman made significant changes to the vessel, even drilling holes in part of the stern where trim taps were placed. Now, Carman says he figured if the boat sank that he would be covered. His defense attorney trying to make the case that the policy is inconsistent and unclear. Now, closing arguments in this case set to begin this morning. The judge has to consider a lot of testimony here. Some of that, of course, as we mentioned, coming from Carman himself when he took the stand telling about his final moments with his mother. Coming up when I join you in about a half hour, we'll go through part of that, why the judge asked those questions but says he's not considering the answers in his verdict. That's when I see you again at 6:30. Live in Providence, Brandon Truitt, Eyewitness News.